Hello guys, welcome back. So guys, in this session we are going to discuss about another amazing tool of Kali Linux, as we have seen in my previous video about this profiler tool. Similarly, in this session we are going to discuss about another tool which is HiddenWave tool. Now let's talk about audio files. We all are familiar with audio files, and in our daily life we use audio files, for example in the form of songs or in the form of recordings. Now if you want to send a secret message to your friends or your family or to anyone else, then how you will do this? So today in this session I will completely step by step show you that how you can hide your secret message inside your audio file. Yes viewers, inside your audio file. So let's get started without wasting any more time. But before starting, if you are new on my channel, so like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of all my new videos. So let's get started. So first of all, go ahead and open up your browser, and in the search box you are going to type here hidden wave, and after that GitHub, and press enter. And after entering this, you are going to click on the first link, which is TechChipNet Hidden Wave Hide Your Secret Message. So click on the first link and it will redirect you to this page, and from here you can check the requirements. This tool required Python 3. Installation process is given in the description, and the usage is also provided. So we are going to simply click on the code, and from here we are going to simply copy this URL and minimize your browser. And now just open up your terminal and navigate to your desktop directory, and here we are going to use the command git clone, and after that your hidden wave URL, and press enter. It will clone the hidden wave file onto your desktop. So now as you can see, our hidden wave tool is cloning on the desktop. So as you can see, our hidden wave tool is cloned on the desktop. So simply clear up your browser or simply close your browser, and we are going to open our terminal once again. Sorry, I was talking about browser, but it is our terminal. So here we are going to type ls, and as you can see we have our hidden wave file over here. So simply navigate into your hidden wave directory, so cd hidden wave, and press enter. Type ls again. So now viewers, as you can see, we have exwave.py script which is written in Python, hiddenwave.py script which is written in Python also. So we have here demo.wave file. So basically this is an audio file which is in waveform. So basically this tool supports .wave extension only. Your audio file must be in the .wave extension. If your audio file is not in the .wave extension, then it will not execute your file or hide your message into your audio file. So make sure that your audio file is in wave format. So if your audio file is not in the wave format, you can simply convert it from the Google into a wave format, and then you can use this tool and hide your secret message inside your audio file. So let me open my demo file, which is demo.wave. So simply run this. Hello guys, welcome to the FK Cyberzone. Subscribe now to the channel to learn ethical hacking for free. So guys, as you can see, this was my audio file in which I am going to hide my secret message, and after saving I will replay this audio file, and I will show you that there is no change in my audio file after hiding my text inside my audio file. So simply close this and clear up the screen, and here you are going to type ls again, and we are going to use this hiddenwave.py script first to hide our secret message inside our demo.wave file. So I'm going to simply write here python 3, and after that I'm going to write hiddenwave script name, and after that I am going to write -f demo.wave, which is my audio file name, and after that -m which is for the message, and here is my message: subscribe now for more updates. And on the last we are going to use the parameter -o, which is for our output file. So simply press enter, So now as you can see, our hack.wave file has been created in our hidden wave directory. So if you don't know how to check the parameters, you can simply write here over here hidden python 3 hidden wave.py and press enter. So it will automatically open the help menu for you. So as you can see, -f parameter is for audio file, -m parameter is for secret message, and -o parameter is for output file. So simply now we are going to check that our message is saved in our hack.wave file. So let me play my hack.wave file, and I will show you that there is no change in my audio file. So simply play your hack.wave file, hack.wave, and press enter. Hello guys, welcome to the FK Cyberzone. Subscribe now to the channel to learn ethical hacking for free. So guys, as you can see, there is no change in my audio file when I play it before and when I play it now. So simply clear up the screen, and now we are going to see how we can extract our message from this hack.wave file. Now our message in this hack.wave file, not in our demo file. We can delete this file or you can keep it. So now we are going to use this exwave.py script to extract our message in from the hack.wave audio file. So we are going to simply use python 3 and after that exwave.py, and we are going to simply press enter, and after that its help will be opened. So here we have only one parameter for xwave.py script, which is -f for our audio file. So we are going to select our audio file. So we are going to write here python 3 and after that exwave.py, and our parameter which is -f, and our audio file name which is hack.wave, and press enter. So viewers, as you can see, your secret message is subscribe now for more updates. So we have successfully extracted our message from our hack.wave file. So viewers, that's it for our today's session, and I hope you have learned something valuable from my today's session. And if you have learned something valuable from my today's session, so like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon to get the notification of all my new videos. So viewers, let's meet in the next session. Until then, take care. Goodbye.